something dangerous is happening in the IT industries, and most of the IT leaders are not aware of it. The problem is not that they have lack of experience. The problem is the workplace is changing faster than their working style, and this change is happening faster and faster as we are moving on. And I call is the speed gap. AI native professionals are, they are starting thinking faster, executing the things faster and adopting the things faster. Whereas the experienced professional, the IT leaders are still struggling with the day-to-day of mundane tasks like emails, reporting, escalations, repetitive coordinations. And in the next 3 years, this gap is going to be brutal. Let's be honest, most of the IT leaders are overloaded. It's not because of the lack of skills or something like that. It is because their day is consumed by the operational noise. Their day start with emails, then follow-ups, then meetings, then reportings, then management reporting, and so on. And at the end of the day, they got exhausted. But strategically, nothing really moved. And the dangerous part is they think this is normal. For years, experience alone has created the value. If you have domain knowledge, if you have an expertise in the process, and you have a good delivery experience, you are staying ahead in your niche or in your industry. But now the AI is changing the game of leverage. The people who are having this understanding of AI, how to use it, they are ahead. Now the information is getting compressed, the analysis is getting accelerated, and the execution is getting automated. Now the leaders are the one who are enhancing their skills to adapt to the AI, and not the one who are just dependent on their experience to get that leverage. Because in this AI era, the speed of execution matters, the speed of decision matters, and speed of learning matters. This is not only a technology shift, it is a leadership shift. Now let me tell you what is the real problem here. The experienced professionals are using the LLM occasionally. They use the chat GPT for very random tasks like create an email, summarize this document or an article, but then they go back to the manual workflow. This is not helping actually. LLM or the AI, you cannot use it randomly or occasionally. You have to make it a part of your operating system. And when AI is part of your operating system, your daily workflow, this is where you are becoming that leveraged person, the AI leveraged leader. The leaders who will thrive in the next decade are not the ones who are doing the most work, but they are the ones who are creating the most leverage. Less repetitive execution and more strategic thinking. Less coordination support and more decision quality. Less manual reporting and more management support. The goal is not to compete with AI, but the goal is to become AI powered. Your experience is still valuable, but it is not enough alone. In order to have the leverage, you need to have the experience, the systems, and AI leverage.